Say hello to comfort and community right at the heart of Manhattan with New Yorker in New York, the vibrant city that never sleeps. This property boasts of stylish en-suite and lavish non-ensuite spaces, each furnished with a bed that's the best nap nest and a desk that is your soon-to-be focused study space. The spacious closet can fit all your belongings and then some, and there's even a small-style refrigerator to keep your midnight caffeine boosts chilled. Power through intense workouts at the fitness center, fit for all workout needs. Burn the midnight oil in the study rooms designed for academic success. With laundry facilities in the building, you can tackle heaps of clothes easily. There's even an ATM in the building for when you're running low on cash. That's not all. Think AC, heating, electricity, water, all included in your rent. Located at 481 8th Avenue, you're a stroll away from Fashion Institute of Technology and Touro University. So getting to campus is a breeze. Secure your spot at New Yorker now with amberstudent.com.